Hi guys. Today you're going to talk about the CCC in Utah. And this is Civilian Conservation Corps. It's one of the New Deal programs. And I actually have a picture. I know this is probably not going to show up super great on the computer, but here is a picture of them at Cedar Breaks National Monument. And then there's a little information thing. So I will put that online as well so you can check that out because it's pretty cool. What you're going to do today is go into modules and go down into the CCC in Utah and click on that. And then it said kind of like your assignments last week. Okay, so it gives you a brief overview about what the CCC was. It was set up to help unemployed youth, and there's a certain age range that you had to be in, planting or building roads, planting trees, and improving parks. And actually, my great grandpa worked for the CCC in Wisconsin, and he planted trees along the roadside. So what their main job was to do is to give jobs to people in a lower income bracket, and then also to give them educational skills as well. So that is what your assignment's going to be about today. So see you later. Have a great day.